Hi, I'm Eric Pilgram with Kraft Heinz Culinary, and I'm here in the kitchen today with Carolyn, who heads hydration and desserts. Thanks for being here.
Thank you, Eric. Thank you for having me. I'm very excited to be here.
So we're talking today about the holidays. So many of our products are crucial for people's holidays, for their traditions and their dishes, even some of the new things they want to try. And I know growing up, holiday parties looked like a sea of crock pots, right? And the casserole dishes. Things have definitely changed. It's fun to see how our products can move into those spaces.
Well, we're hosting 20 people for the holidays this year. If everything is in a crock pot, it's going to not be very inspiring.
Yeah.
So,
have you figured out the menu?
No, that's actually what I'm hoping you can help me with today.
All right, so we got to be creative. We're always listening on culinary. We know the consumer best. We want to know what they're doing in the kitchen, what they're seeing online, and get them inspired to do that with our products.
I love it.
All right, let's get cooking. All right, so first we're making Caesar salad.
My favorite.
And so many other people's favorite. You know, Caesar's really had a moment. I feel like this is the year of the Caesar, especially with those Gen Z consumers and younger demographics. So this is using our delicious Kraft Ceasar dressing.
Yum.
And so rather than just using bread croutons, we wanted to make it fun and a little more Kraft Heinz centric. So we pull in Ore-Ida Tater Tots, and we're gonna use those as our croutons.
Wow.
I know. We're gonna air fry these potatoes and then throw them with butter, garlic, a little parm and black pepper. So all things you have in your pantry. We're gonna have you go ahead and sprinkle these on top.
I mean, the air fryer is so great because it's both crispier and faster, and I don't have to get out a sheet pan. This looks so good. The ratio of tater tots to salad might look different in my family.
Yeah.
But that's the beauty of a recipe. You just make it work.
Or on my plate.
There you go. Yum. Get it in
We
here.
do? All right.
Really
get one
good.
of these tots.
Mm-hmm.
I get together friends every year for the holidays, and we're always wondering what should we bring, what should we make? And a few years ago, we said, let's just do dips.
That's amazing. I mean, eating by grazing is definitely in right now.
And so this is our hot cocoa dip. This is jet puff marshmallows, the minis. We've got our chocolate JELL-O to bring in a hot cocoa flavor, baker's chocolate to boost that chocolatiness, Philadelphia cream cheese, we're gonna get that little tang, little thick richness, and then Cool Whip.
Nothing like some jet puff marshmallows. Do we get to taste it?
We sure do.
Okay, cheers. I can't speak because I'm so busy just enjoying this. That's delicious. And it's so creamy. I mean, Cool Whip, the texture of Cool Whip is like magic. It really is.
All right, so we've made it to the mocktail cocktail section of our party. This is really fun because it's so customized. You know, everybody wants to make it fresh, make it fun, make it their own. Do you ever do, you know, beverages, things like drink carts whenever you host?
Yeah, I mean, definitely batch making is easy, but inevitably somebody always doesn't like the thing that you chose to make. So customizability sounds great.
And Mio's great for that because look at this right here. We have 4 different flavors that we can add to our base of ginger beer and club soda. I'd love to make you a mocktail.
Yes, please.
What flavor sounds good to you?
I would love the berry pomegranate. Sounds very seasonal.
It is, and it's a beautiful color too. So that clear just becomes
Wow.
deep purple.
Yum.
Yeah. And to garnish it, we do have pomegranate seeds. So that'll be nice, kind of float on top. And then botanicals. Everybody's loving a little sage, a little rosemary. Really makes it feel elevated.
This is the fanciest glass of Mio I have ever had. So good. Eric, thank you so much for having me. I always love the holidays and I love hosting, but I'm feeling especially inspired and I'm stealing each and every one of these recipes for my family table this year. So thank you.
Absolutely, and that's what we're here to do. I love getting to have people come into the kitchen and be able to show you the things that we're inspired by and we know our consumers will be inspired by as well.